The CL500 doesn't just take you places, it makes every ride unforgettable. Born from Honda's legacy of freedom and raw adventure, the Honda CL500 is more than a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its Scrambler-inspired design, upright stance, and rugged build, it embodies the spirit of exploration. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving your own path off-road, its 471cc parallel twin engine delivers smooth yet powerful acceleration, making every twist of the throttle an invitation to go further, ride longer, and chase horizons. The CL500 doesn't just take you places, it makes every ride unforgettable. Confidence comes naturally on the CL500. Its high handlebars and comfortable seat position give riders total control, while long travel, suspension, and dual-purpose tires mean you're just as steady on a dirt trail as you are cruising through urban traffic. Every detail is designed to inspire trust and excitement, from the responsive braking system to the robust frame that absorbs whatever the road throws at you. This bike isn't just built to perform, it's built to make you feel unstoppable. Style is another reason the CL500 stands out. With its minimalist retro design, round LED headlight, and stripped-back silhouette, it captures the essence of classic scramblers while delivering modern sophistication. The slim tank and rugged lines aren't just about looks, they invite customization, giving every rider the freedom to make the CL500 truly their own. Whether you keep it clean or push the limits with accessories, this bike reflects personality as much as performance. The CL500 is not just transportation, liberation on two wheels. Whether you're a daily commuter who wants a ride with character or an adventurer seeking new trails, this motorcycle adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. Reliable, versatile, and undeniably stylish, it invites riders to break routine, find freedom, and own every journey. Honda built the CL500 to be more than a machine, it's a partner in your story of adventure, ready to take you where your heart dares to go.